So it's the night before the fit. I'm just doing this on the phone. I've come into the workshop at night to get everything ready. I've been making a list throughout the week and whilst checking other videos that cover this sort of thing. I've threw everything in the kitchen sink in there, hoping that I've got the lot, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm hoping 3 to 4 hours. Fingers crossed. See you then. So we're just going to go over now, but we're going to load the car up and I'll see you on site. So the car loaded up and ready to roll. We stopped on the way for food, and by we, I mean me and my son, who doesn't want to be on camera, but he came along and was a big help. Hi, we're at the job. I'm in the alcove. This is where the doors are going. Let's have a look. So 3 weeks ago I measured this space up. The client wanted sliding doors that would match the main door, which was oak, so we decided to go with oak veneer, which you would have saw if you watched part 1 when I fit the handles. I checked for level, which I did 3 weeks ago, but no harm double checking. If the aperture isn't square, these won't fit. I hacksawed through the first track to the width of the gap. There's 4 tracks in the kit, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. Then I checked the instructions to know which way the doors would slide and put the first runner down to see where they would lie. These needed to be fit to a solid base, so sitting on the carpet wouldn't cut the mustard. So I cut the carpet and the underlay away so the 2 base tracks could sit on the floorboards. I needed to remove more carpet later on because the door hung over the track and the door wouldn't slide without the extra carpet being removed. Now I drill at 250mm spaces with a 4mm bit before countersinking very carefully with a larger bit. You've got to go so careful on this so as not to drill all the way through the track with the larger bit, but you do need to ensure that these screws sit flush so the wheels would roll unhindered. Yep. So the top tracks get fitted first. These will engage with the runners that go at the top of the door, and the way you get them in is to engage the top and slide the unfixed bottom tracks and the wheels in one motion, but more on that simple manoeuvre later. So I'll fit the tracks, leaving a small gap between the 2 of them so that the 2 doors would slide independently of each other. Now here's camera angle of the day as I fix the top runners at the top of the door, 19mm down, 50mm in from the side. The doors are that large they've blocked a lot of the natural light, so I agree that this is both badly lit and a badly shot, but you get the gist. Then I fit the wheels. One of the holes on the wheel attachments is like a sausage shape. You don't commit fully to that screw, but it does allow you to drop the wheels onto the track when fixing it later on. But at this point I thought, great, now the easy bit, slide the door into place, but easy it was not.
Fitting the door shouldn't pose any issues, but 1 hour time you'll be reaching for tissues. The carpet, the floor boards, all painted and nailed with so many hurdles, you're destined to fail.
Now firstly, the carpet needed to be folded back quite a bit. The doors are 8mm less than the height, so not much room to play with, and we struggled and began to feel like a right couple of muppets. The floorboards were uneven, there was a nail that we couldn't remove, old raised areas, which meant sliding the door in was painstaking. You'd always be hitting some kind of little thing in the way. If you were fitting this on a melanine base, it'd be fine. But eventually we got it in, and I could fix the track once I'd checked that the door was level, vertically level. And it slides, as a sliding door should, as a very minimum. This is the part where I make sure the door is sitting upright and flush to the side and commit to fixing the wheels. And then we move on to the second door, which goes in so much easier, and I can fix the track. And we get in there. Now the kit comes with these little plastic wheel stops, these, and you fit these on the track, double-sided tape, you stick them down, well single-sided really, you stick it down, screw it in, and it means the door clicks into place and doesn't slide about willy-nilly. Click, there we go. And that was it. We were done, and they work. So let's have a look. And thanks for watching.